Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this trail camera. It is a hunting camera with a 1520p 28 megapixel. It's got night vision, motion activated. It is waterproof, IP66 with a 0.2 second trigger time. Alright, so right here we have our trail camera. This is great for hunting. It has a 28 megapixel with a 1520. It is IP66 waterproof. So it just tells you a little thing here on the back. You can use it to go hunting. The outdoor HD surveillance camera. It's got a 1520p with a 0.2 second trigger time. It is IP66 waterproof. This one does include a 32 gigabyte of SD card, so you can start off with recording as well as taking pictures. The 1520p resolution and the 28 megapixel is an Ultra HD 2.7K video with a hyper night vision. It's got a 26-piece 850 nm low glow LED to show terrific blacks and whites in the night version. So first off, in this box you do get the user manual, the instructions guide. It tells you it's got a diagram of all the buttons, and it says you can scan this with your phone to download the app. And then you've got settings in here. It's got a quick start guide. So this is an IP66 waterproof. It is durable case design, makes it withstand the rigors of outdoor and use of elements. So the hot, the rain, the humidity. The 1520p trail camera, high quality and impressive performance for wildlife camera. So first off, in the box you can see the camera. We're going to put that aside and see what accessories we get with it. So this is a Type-C cable. And on this side right here you get the strap as well as the mounting tools. So this camera has time lapse. So here's the strap. So it can detect up to 65 feet. The screen size is a 2-inch. The trigger time is 0.2 seconds. So that is the mounting tools. The angle detection is up to 90 degrees. The operation temperature is up to -20 Celsius to 60 Celsius or -4 Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is what the outer case looks like. This does have a standby time up to 6 to 8 months. The continuous shooting is 1 to 3. It's got infrared LEDs with a 850 low glow. It does have a port for a mounting. So if you want to mount this on a tripod, you have a charging port right here. It takes a 1.5 volt. So this offers a 2.7 resolution HD quality that can set to 3 to 60 seconds and 2 to 10 minutes. The trigger time means that the capture clear wildlife for you. The hyper night vision mode, the game camera will take sharp crisp pictures up to 65 feet at night. So here is the little clips on the side to open it up. So this does not come with a rechargeable battery. You will actually have to put the batteries in. This camera requires 8 AA batteries. So right here you have the shot button, OK button, play, up and down, camera, back. You got menu and replay. So it does not come with the batteries, but it does include a 32 gigabyte, which is a microSD. You can put up to 512 gigabytes. So you've got the USB port on, test, and off. So right here, which does include the 32 gigabyte of SD card. This is the micro. So here is the USB off, test, and on. So in order for it to do that, we have to put the batteries in. So behind this back plate right here, inside here, we'll have to pull the clip down To expose the battery port, I'm going to go ahead and put the 8 AA batteries in here. These are rechargeable, so just put those in there. And then we'll put the plate back on, snap it into place. It should snap there. And then we'll turn it on to test. Just wait a second for the battery to turn on. Turn it all the way off, and then we'll put it back on again. And right there, it's starting up. So now we're just going to take a quick picture. So let's grab this box and take a quick picture. And then once I take the picture, we'll go into the menu, and there's different options. You can change the resolution of the picture as well as the video. It's got your other settings. So we're just going to go ahead and go through that. I'm going to speed up the video. So now we're going to go in here and we're going to remove the pictures. We're going to remove them. So we click on the menu button to remove them. So we have 2 pictures right here that we need to remove. So if you click on the menu button, it'll give you the option to delete them. It says delete, so we're going to go ahead and delete the file. Press OK. Now we're going to go into the next picture. Okay, we've deleted that. So now that the SD card is completely erased. Now there is an option in the settings if you want to reformat it. There is nothing that's on it once I first put it in, but you can still reformat the SD card in the settings section. So this is overall what it looks like on the inside. It does have the on, off, and test mode. And on the back plate right here, that is where the batteries go. And then it just has some information. If you have any questions, you can contact them directly. It has some warning tips. Again, there's your USB, off, test, and on. This camera is super rugged, so if you're out hunting, this is a great trail camera. It has a back port where you can put your mounting accessories on there. You can see right here, and here's some extra information: the model number, the voltage. You've got your camera and your LED lights for your nighttime viewing. It's got a super crisp, clear recording. It has a 2-inch screen, so you can see it from here with your settings. Set it inside of this device. It's got a locking clips on the side, so you can lock it in place. Make sure the inside stays nice and secure, as well as your SD card and your plugging ports. It does have a mounting on the bottom, so if you want to use it on a tripod, it has a spot for you to mount it on top of a tripod. If you're looking for a nice hunting trail camera or just want to have it at night for security reasons, I would definitely say check this one out. It comes with all the accessories that you need, and it is a super nice quality.